Okay, one of the concepts that we've used here in the design of this project is to use some of the higher tech products that are very low or no maintenance whatsoever. We've chosen to use a Trex decking, which is a composite decking, with a blind fastening system. From the manufacturer, we have a composite product that has a significant wood grain embossment on the surface of the decking material, so it mimics the look of a stained high-end exotic wood. To accompany that, we've chosen a composite vinyl railing in a different color, in a contrasting color, to give the project a little bit of contrast out here. And this particular product needs little or no maintenance. For the house, the siding, we've chosen a vinyl shake, which also is very low or little maintenance. This particular product is made by Royal, and also we've used, on most areas of the house, composite trim boards as well. So there's very little painting or maintenance that will be required in the future.